So Nick, if I can move to your question, you say we measure participation in government, but we don't talk about self-determination, and surely those things go together, and we absolutely agree. Chad, shall I just hand over to you to expand on that, on how it does come through in the survey at the moment, and in perhaps how the Pacific module is addressing?
Sure, I'm happy to talk about that a little bit. I mean, I'm willing to acknowledge that I don't think we're quite there yet on self-determination, and I think we can do better. Initially, we've had a lot of internal discussion even about how to present the results from places like Guam that are not granted their independence, that are under essentially in a colonial state in the United States. And so, as it stands, we're currently just presenting those countries on their own and letting people that are respondents in those countries use our survey as a megaphone to speak out about what's concerning to them in that country at this time. But I don't think we've quite, in the rights tracker data, done as well as hopefully I think we eventually will in sort of analyzing and pulling out all of these self-determination issues. I do think that the Pacific module, one of the driving forces behind indigenous self-determination as a question and thinking about self-determination was this issue. I don't think this first version we've done, I would say, was something of a beta test. We're not satisfied with where it is right now, and Sam and Patrick are going to take it and move it forward in what I assume will be a much better direction than what we've been able to do so far. But the hope is to capture at least some of these issues of self-determination, and to go back to the previous question a little bit, cultural rights that are currently missing in our data.